Hello students, today we are going to solve third problem of cement. Question is given as the increased rate of strength gain of rapid hardening cement is achieved by. The first option is higher content of C3S, the next one is higher content of C3A, another one is higher content of C4AF, and the last one is higher content of C2S. Now we know that generally the increased rate of strength gain of rapid hardening cement is achieved by higher content of C3S. So option A is the correct answer for this question. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much students.